Hello, I'm David and you're watching Cruise Show UK. Today we're staying at Fairfield Inn by Marriott and we're going to show you around. It's a great location if you're going to do Disney and then a cruise afterwards, maybe from Port Canaveral or drive down to Fort Lauderdale. Disney is just 2 miles down the road. It's an ideal place to stay. Come on, let's go and have a look. We're on the 5th floor, it's room 505, so let's go and have a look. It's a king studio room. Come on in and we'll have a look round. So we'll start here at the bed. It's a lovely king size bed, bedside table on either side. There looks to be an alarm clock there with 2 USB-A sockets. There's a telephone. Either side of the bed you've got a bedside table. They're a bit different to each other, which is a bit strange. That one has got a small drawer, but this one hasn't. On either side of the bed you've got a light with an individual light switch on either side, but there is no master light switch that does the whole room. Give the bed a quick comfort test. Seems pretty good. It's nice and it's firm but soft. We're in Orlando, so air conditioning is controlled from here. Next to the air conditioning controls you've got a wardrobe, plenty of space in there. There's an ironing board and an iron in there as well, some hangers, and there's a good sized shelf at the top there as well. A couple of coat hooks there, and then behind you've got a small chest of drawers with 2 good sized drawers, I guess, and then there's a place at the top there for a suitcase, but there is no safe in the room. At the end of the bed you've got a good sized TV with Netflix, Amazon Prime and YouTube, so you can sign into those accounts and watch all of that on the TV. And you've got a good sized desk, nice chair, but there's no USB sockets here, but there is 4 US power sockets, small desk light, and yeah. So you can also, it's quite good on this TV, you can use, if you want to plug your laptop in, you can use the HDMI cable and plug it into the side of the TV. In this corner you've got a small recycling bin down there, and then you've got a tall light here, which is quite nice, and a good sized chair with footrest. It's quite nice. There isn't really anything in this corner as such. You've got your air conditioning unit down there, and then we're on the 5th floor overlooking a car park, so it's not a very glamorous view, but it lets in lots of light. It's a really good sized room, plenty of space, it's nice and airy. Here you've got a door to the adjacent room, so if you're travelling with a family, maybe try and get that room, have them together then. And then here you've got a small fridge. Actually, I say it's small, it's quite deep, it goes back, so you can put plenty of drinks and whatnot in there. There's a coffee machine with coffee and tea, and then there's a microwave oven, ice bucket at the top, and some plastic cups. Finally, we've got the bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom. It's very basic, but it's really clean, lots of space in here. Nice big mirror, well illuminated, nice sink area. There's 2 US power sockets at the side there, plenty of towels. There's a shelf underneath, a large shelf. There's a hairdryer as well. In this side here you've got the toilet, and then behind you've got a really good sized shower. Again, it's nice and clean. It comes with body wash, shampoo and conditioner. There's a couple of shelves in here, footrest. Looks a good sized shower. My thoughts on it: it's a lovely room. It's not luxury or anything like that, but we're not paying for luxury. It is just a nice room. It's a nice place to stay, and I would stay here again. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, and until next time, I will see you up on deck.